Bwansu Bwomogusi.
Na rituko neri aramisi umoncho murigereria nago kwaniria ndonsia soberete Chinsa Isano na Ibere chia bono mwaso ngakene ngo kwarigania samangana Amayia Chinsa Isano elinkomanyigati yali togerete go kwariganiria rituko ligereria aramisi stariki 14 omutinyo kane mwaka bw'ikiribu bere na 2022 nyora obocholi bwa Megos nominations Chinsa Isano ni gobogenrete ase kyama keria kya UDA no ichibura chigendrete koene kigwa ase Chinsa Isano ayu amonenda mange na kwariganira twemanye ase nchira yowenge noli tokobwatana nere kurasumu na bwimanyererio igakoro kwa Joshua Auta iritira ninchi nkoro Vincent Onyanchao. Tigato chake kurua sensemo ya siasa na sobocholi bwe kyama kia UDA gozi nominations bogendrete okolekana ase Chinsa Isano kumulikira Amayia county ya Kisii igaba kichukura baikiranire ase biteseni anasege geteseni gya Kisii primary kolendo bocholi obwe kabono mbora chaka abantu barasenseme yubo igobeli getibuna bakichukura ase kyama kia UDA nigobaganya tobocholi obugo chaka ekira abande barokane kwe murungane ya okonyoru kwa chaka kwa bocholi obu Amayia county ya Kisii ekyo ni gogi achire egrokele kyama kya UDA bakuraria bene uno bocholi obu Megos nominations gobo chigokorwa chi county 35 ne mochioka abwase bitu chiri bwe 15 bigo chigotumeka aso bocholi obu kolende Amayia geteseni kya bakichukura gya Kisii primary bocholi obu kabono mbora chaka nonya bakichukura baikirase ensemeyo. Nago tigara boy gonna kumurekera mangana rengete siasa nase kyama kya UDA sobocholi obonene bogokolekana rituko lya rero Amayia nsemo ya Bomet abakichukura kurwa senseme yubo ikobara bwatani bekyama kya UDA ni gobarokane kwe murungane kyandege 10 aya ni gagocha maega yokorekana buna chikura ni gochia kubo tukubugo kyera rero asebanyora masakara abwate abakichukura bakeri chikura igobe murungane rinagote buna mbali gochi wanchira nengana bune ikogendera chikura chiri cyaba chiwakwa nigo cherwa segeteseni yakemo ekerobotuko imibwacha kiwo kumanyambara byaba baba gwaka chikura maega yebitawu byaba kichukura gotoka asenseme ya Bomet nganene ase ensemo ya Tenwek gotoka se county ya Bomet.
Kenye tunafanyiwa hapa si mzuri. Na tunasikia ripoti kutoka pale Nairobi wanatuambia ya kwamba eti tuendelee kupika kura. Nataka niwaambie wale ambao wameketi Nairobi, tafadhali sisi tuko na shida. Sisi wananchi tuko na shida. Tumepata shida miaka 5. Sasa hii mnatuambia eti tutulie, eti kura iendelee na watu wameanza kujichagua. Sasa ningeomba wale ambao wanasimamia hii kiti, wale wanasimamia hii chama, msiharibu hii chama. Mlisema ya kwamba mnapenda William. Sasa hii mnaharibia William. Kwa hivyo kama mnaharibia William, msituharibie sisi wananchi. Na tunasema kama wananchi haitaendelea, hata mshuke muende wapi nyinyi wale ambao wako Nairobi mweketi. Hatutakubali, tunataka haki. Angalia sasa, watu walipiga kura usiku. Usiku wa watu walipiga kura, ona. Alafu sasa mnatuambia eti tutulie. Alafu mnatuambia eti kuna nyingine inaprintiwa Nairobi mnaletwa. Iletwa wapi? Kwa hivyo tunaomba Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Mheshimiwa William Ruto, najua unaniona na unanisikiza. uketi Nairobi ukiwa umepanga nyumbani. La sivyo, mimi mwenyewe Patrick nitasema leo, ukijaribu kutulazimisha leo hii kwa hii process, tunaambia Raila karibu Bomet. Mukijaribu round hii kutulazimisha hii kitu, Raila karibu Bomet. Tutaenda Azimio na sisi kama vijana tutakubali. So kama you either choose, you choose to either mukubali, mukerekebishe, mbostpone ama tuame tuende Azimio. That is the only thing we will do. And we will do it. Hizi ni kura zetu bana. Kama mnasema Bomet ni bedroom ya William, ikuwe bedroom ya William wakiwa wametusikiza. Hivyo basi mimi sina mengi, lakini mkiendelea kutulazimisha, hata sisi tutawalazimisha mwezi wa 8 tutaenda Azimio. Na mimi ndio nimesema, si mtu mwingine, tutaenda Azimio. Asante sana.
Na boigo litukeri mulioka gosabuli tukore igoro imeye kaunti ya Embu maiga yobo chorio wakwime bware gokolekana litukuria lero korali gwa gochaka abwatani be kiama kya UDA kaunti ya Embu litukore igoro nigo barokante go sambe binto ibyari gochikirani obwaki chukore tukuria lero gati ya be bitabu be ogwaka chikura nigo baikirani umurobeli yase kaunti ya Embu asogoteba buna nigo murobeli konyoro buko iba chikuru bikirwe asensemeyo ngento kerete barobaganya go sambe bintu byo gwaka chikura se county ya Embu asobocholi bware go chikokolekana litukuria lero nigo baganiri obocholi ubuno gosukiwa bosio no na bo imeye county ya Embu ose county ya Embu maiga ye bintu byo gwaka chikura go sambwa nigo obocholi ubwanyara go chaka litukuria lero kolenda abantu abakemono nigo baikira naso ebitese nibyo gwaka chikura asensemeyo ya Embu nigo abamenyi bensemeyo anena abwatani ba UDA batebete bunege tambokera konyora kya robeligwe asogo chikumuyibera chikura omubungo obenne sisirimbalire asobo choli bole bosio likoiruke bandera yokoliye kero kyobo governor se county ya Meru egento batebete mbali gochigwanchira nambalire kwae wali baga koiruke bandera ya UDA asobo choli obone bole bosio mbalire boigoni gesokire nago kwandire nganeyo asatebire bunabara ibali bemogetege tambokera nago sambe bintu bigo chigwaka osibigo chokoli chikura siri tukolero bayimukirege tambokirege tindi asibabure kyombekeri kyobo chone chimbebe ko imukige tambokiro kubwatira namo ne serikali kobeka byara bali basegedete ogosambo ko ebintu bya UDA asensemeyo ya Embu egento ke robo choli obukonyorwa nabo igabanta abakemono na bubesokiria so waka chikura se county yo ya Embu.
Ni aibu viongozi wazima ambao wanaitisha kiti ya kusimamia hata sio constituency ama ward, kusimamia county ya Embu, kuwa ndio wanaongoza katika vita.
I do not want to talk any further on a subject matter that I have no idea as to what happened. It's just sad that in a county, peaceful county like Embu, we have these malpractices like what happened, I am told, during the Jubilee nominations 5 years ago.
So do not be tempted to turn aggressive or to turn violent, and any person also who has burnt that material will bear the full cost and will bear the criminal responsibility for attempting to commit acts of violence.
Tumetuma wabunge watatu, Honorable Koros, Honorable Muragala and Honorable Murkomen kwenda kuwasaidia kwa usimamizi wa hii uchaguzi. Hakuna kuahirisha, everything will go as scheduled.
Kama mtu amefanya hivyo na tumeambiwa katika hiyo code of conduct will be disqualified, kama mtu ataenda kinyume na hiyo code of conduct, si tungetaka chama ichukue hatua kwa hao viongozi kulingana na hiyo code of conduct.
The list that is being used by the party has been sponsored by one candidate.
Na ababwatani be kiama kya UDA boigokorwa sensemo ya Njore gotoka imeye county ya Nakuru nigo bakorokorobeka nogo tindi hasogote yabuna mbali gochi goitebera na machibu yobochori yobokewa imegozi nomination sonye kiama kya UDA kagendete kobeke merobelio asogo chokore ticket bobisigo chia sabantogete gati ya abwatani be kiama kikorwa sensemo ya Njoro nigo bamochirio yokoligie kerogo kyobura ya sensemo yumatha wangale asokobeka abantu aseganga yogotaka kumuibera chikura.
Stephen Gatimo Minor. I'm an aspirant for a member of parliament in Igili constituency. Mother Wangari have deployed a mechanism to ensure all her staff All her chief campaigners are the presiding officers and the polling clerks, and that's why today the people of Gilgil woke up in the morning to come here to demonstrate against that decision. I've been able to talk to our Secretary General, Madam Veronica Maina, who has assured me that all the presiding officers in Gilgil constituency, the 95 of them, will be transferred to other constituencies with immediate effect.
This is what we have all agreed. One, no elections will take place in Joro, UDA nomination, unless we agree on all party election officials within the next few hours. Number two, the CRO, one by the name Murgol, needs to be replaced because he's inaccessible and arrogant to us who are supposed to be his client.
And we've been pushed to a corner where we are expected to be flower girls in these nominations, knowing what we've invested with our people, meeting our people every day, day and night. There are those people who are deciding who will be the next MP or who will take the UDA ticket in Jolo constituency. But this we will reject totally, and we won't allow any manipulation.
Na boigo chinga kechi ba kichukura kurwase county ya Nyeri ni gobe murunganedie gati yokubara kwa maliyete ya ba kichukura sensemeyo ni goba ganedie kyama kya yude ko mukege tambokero kya bwango na kone kibuna bali maliyete abata yongo tokale asenchira yogo chiwo kolyo bochoryo bwa senchira yo bwasyo kino bwasyo rwanchira ya konde wenzi otayo.
Nilikuwa nimekuja nimerauka ndio nikuja ni vote, lakini unfortunately nilikuwa nimechange polling station yangu na unfortunately siko kwa register, so siwezi ruhusiwa kuvote, na mwenye nilikuwa nimetamania kuvotia unfortunately hatapata kura yangu. Nikaona hiyo kitu ikiwa unfair.
I've just cast my vote. The turnout is good, but unfortunately we are finding that a lot of our voters' names are missing in the register. So we really must continue consulting so that we can solve this issue once and for all before the day ends.
Na boigo chinga kechi obochori weme oboke wekyama kya ODM imeye county ya Umabe nigo bwachaka litukolia le nonye bwachaka kibonyorere kolengana na amenyi benseme yunigo be murunganire kirage asoko barwe password eyuko gora chi machine kiri chigotumeka so wakachikura nigo ba mochirege kolekyo asogote yabuna einenchira baligeti yogo chukure ticket bobisi gochia sabantogete.
Nilifika hapa kitu saa 12 hadi sasa ndio wameingia na ballot. Tunataka kupiga kura tu sahi. Yeah. And nimekasirika sana kwa sababu unajua hapa Umabe tuko na shida ya maji, na niliamsha bibi yangu kitu saa 11 aende maji ndio tukuje tupige kura. Kufika saa 12 tumepata kaka kuna kila kitu ndio wameingia tu sahi na ni sana.
Nimekuja hapa kitu kama saa 1, niko almost hapa sasa kitu kama 3 hours. Changamoto mimi naona sahi kwa sasa shughuli haijaanza, ballot imekuja ikiwa imechelewa. Shughuli yenyewe mpaka sahi haijaanza na wenyeji ni wachache wamefika. Mimi naona ile shida tuko nayo hapa, lakini tunatarajia ya kwamba hii exercise itakuwa mzuri na itaisha kwa salama na tutapeleka baba Ikulu.
Kila kitu iko hapo ndani, lakini tunaambiwa eti bado tungoje password. Sasa tunaulizana mbona this thing was digitalized? Mbona password inakuja na gari na mashini iko hapa ndani? Eti bado wanaongoja wifi. Sasa mbona password inakuja na gari? Password. Hiyo ndio sasa sijui sasa niseme nini juu ya hiyo password. Password inakuja
na abarwaniri benne bali bakoligie birugo byobura ya sense ya Kenya batari koligie bura igoetera sekia makende gyonsi gose independent candidates ni gobono baikire bosi weke gambero asoko ganyeke gambero kiba obosi bole bokorosie kiama kiabo gosomo bwabo eligo chamu na konyara kogendera koligie chikura ni gobatebere buna independent candidates ose bali bakoligie birugo bara uboka batabwati kiama kende gyonsi ni gobara abange na ni gobwata abanta abange bali magega yabo egento kiabere gikaseke gambero na kogani bayo gobusibole na korosia ekiama kiabo.
And on the day of the election, it begins with the entire process. And so if the process is already leaning against independent candidates, then this is something that will actually nullify the election before the election starts. the independent candidates are coming in very strong. If you look at the data, in the last election, the MCAs, the independent MCAs who are vying, the total votes that they got was 3.2 million. This was more than the total votes that ODM got. It was only less than what Jubilee got. So you can see that the second biggest players and a key stakeholder in this election are independent candidates. And so they need to be given special attention. If you look at the members of National Assembly, you find that independent candidates were number 3 with 1.8 million votes accumulated across the country. So this is a part of Kenya that you cannot wish away, and come up with regulations that stop these people from participating in the election. In the 2013 election, you find that there was only one independent MCA.
Na umurai wenso muskuru Kenyatta ni gabo ribona abagosoria ko basomustari obosieri konyara koinekia nkora libale omolembe no bwatani obuyasense ya Kenya uruniga ya kwana maiga yogotarira ensemo ya langate gochoko ime ya Nairobi ekrare ko igerege kia wanajeshi kemanyakanite buna Ulinzi Sports Complex asenseme ya langata igate inerenchire ya moyo konyara gotoro bwa matobuya anene kurwa saba gosoria obakumena nabanta bange asaganiryo molembe koraligwa kera engaki.
We used to have one of the best hockey teams within the KDF, and we intend to bring it back, including rugby. The sports complex as well, will play a pivotal role in reawakening the sporting spirit of the KDF. We are therefore very privileged to have.
I am confident that this facility will also provide training and exercising opportunities for a wide range of Kenyans. And I wish to encourage individual Kenyans as well as corporate bodies to partner with Ulinzi Sports Complex as members. To the KDF, I would like this complex to be the benchmark against which all our sporting facilities are to be measured. Thus, it is vital that a robust management system be established to ensure that this complex maintains the highest possible level of international standard.
Na boigo umrewe kama kia UDA boigo romo konyo umrewe nse William Ruto liganya regote babuna sobo chorio bonebole bosi isakobo mreyo gatano wense ya Kenya na chikone kibuna basubati nkoyo barili bagali nene asobo choikirania magendro na kurobo korri bwabo Ruto nigate birabuna basubati babwanto koyo wali bagaso kogera ense ya Kenya na korwa obokoreri bwabo.
As a party leader, we will go out of our way to ensure that women are protected. Women are given the space to canvass for opportunities in nominations as candidates in elections, to make sure that we progress to ensure that women are not disadvantaged and they get a fair chance in our primaries and in our elections.
Na mwanchu muligereria ayo ngati yali atogendete ko kwaliganiria semese ito ya mangana mayenyera chikoraga chinse 14 asenchira yo bwenge ningira na semese ga nyale ko kumanyia hali yagendete kuwateka na sense moyo kumulekera obocholi bwa UDA ose nominations obubogendete chinse mo ime yense ya Kenya mbiamuno aso